What's up YouTube family? We are back again for another video, and today I'm actually going to teach you guys how to upload shorts on YouTube from a PC. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we're going to go ahead and get straight into it by switching over to our PC. Let's go. All right, so now we are finally on our desktop. Now, of course, it's like any other video that you're going to upload. So of course, you're going to first have to create the video on your editing software, and then you're going to want to save that edited video onto your desktop. Now, after you put that video on your desktop, so I'm gonna show you guys, these are my two shorts that I'm going to be putting on the desktop, well, that I put on the desktop to put on YouTube. So of course I have these two right here, and then it's just like any other video. You're going to want to go up here top right to the what looks like a kind of like a camera, it has a plus in the middle, and it says create. You're going to want to upload a video. Now this is after you went in and edited the short of your choosing. Now of course you have to remember, to even be considered a short, it has to be 1080 by 1920. Okay, as long as you do that, then you got a vertical video and it is eligible to be a short. Now here, after you press the create, it allows you to either drag and drop the video, or you can select the file. So me, I don't remember what the titles were, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to drag and drop. Now after I drag and drop, everything should remain the same, and this is where we start putting our SEO and our keyword research and everything to make sure that this specific short can go around the algorithm a little bit, and it won't just die off as soon as we upload this video. So we want to make sure that this video has some longevity to it, and I already put a lot of keywords into the title of this short, and then of course I had to put hashtag shorts in the title. Okay, remember to put hashtag shorts. Some people don't do it and it still seems to get views off the short shelf. But I mean, I always like to make sure that I am, doing the best I can to make sure that these shorts pop off for me. So hashtag shorts in the title, you see it pops up right here, and then we're good. Now, when it comes down to the description is going to be the most important part of this process right here, just because the description will tell YouTube what they can expect from this video. So you want to put all of your keywords and get your keyword research going and put your main keywords in this description. You want to focus on your keywords constantly being in the top 2 lines of your description. So now that we finally finished our description, now you guys see we did add a little bit more to it. And this is all that we truly need. We want to make sure that the first 2 lines have our main keywords in it. So of course, DraftKings, fantasy football, NFL, DFS, you see that we have all of these keywords in our description. So then this is where you put any affiliate links and all that other stuff, because I mean, only the first few lines of your description truly matter, and that is what's going to help feed the algorithm. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and scroll down, and then this is where I usually put my hashtags. So hashtagging is going to help the algorithm yet again. So pretty much we're just feeding into the algorithm to make these videos pop. So for my first hashtag, we could probably do a DraftKings. We see there has been 43,000 videos made, so we're going to go DraftKings, then we're going to go NFL, and then we're going to go fantasy football. There we go. So those are our 3 hashtags right there. Now this is at the point of the process where if you have a custom thumbnail for your short, then this is where you would either click and drag, or you will find that thumbnail to post onto your video. Now, a lot of the times I do not post thumbnails to my shorts, because a lot of the times I'm getting views from the short shelf and you're not really going through it like a regular long form video. The long form videos, you need to have a thumbnail, but for shorts, you really don't need them. So we kind of keep those blank. We'll just take a screenshot or a frame from the video here that YouTube already has done, Now, if you have a specific playlist that you want to put this short into, this is where you do this. So we're going to go ahead and put it in my fantasy football content playlist. And then of course you have to figure out if, you know, if it's not made for kids and all that other stuff. And then you want to go down here to the tags. Now, I know the tags have really lost a lot of power throughout the years on YouTube. They used to be a lot stronger. So you still want to use them, okay? You still want to use them because you want to use any and everything that could possibly make your video go crazy into the algorithm. So we're gonna go ahead and put keywords that actually make sense for this video. So of course we'll have the NFL, we'll have DraftKings, we'll have NFL DFS, we'll have DFS. Okay, so now you see we have successfully placed all of our tags onto our video. And now we want to continue by just scrolling down here. We want to make sure that we allow embedding and also publish to our subscription feed and notify subscribers. This is where the notification bell is really handy for people that are out there hitting the subscribe button. If you want notifications, then, you know, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. So anybody that rings the bell on your channel or anybody that has subscribed to your channel, they will see this on their feed. So you want to do that. Then we're going to choose the category. This is more of a football, so this is going to be a sports category. We're going to choose that. We're going to go next. I rarely add video elements to my shorts, so we're going to go ahead and skip that. Now it's going to check for copyright issues. And then now is time for our visibility. So if you want to make it public right away, this is where you do that, okay? This is where you put it public right away. If not, then you probably want to do what I do, and you probably would like to schedule it. So today is the 10th. We'll schedule it to come out today, but we'll also put it for maybe around like 4 p.m. There we go. So after this is all said and done, now we're going to press schedule. And there we are. Video was scheduled. Okay, so it will go public for the time and the date that we have scheduled it. As you guys can see here, we can double check here. The video is currently private and is scheduled to become public December 10th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Now, of course, this is the easiest way that you can upload a short using your PC. And you don't really have to be using your phone every time you want to upload a short. It is a little bit, you know, harder to do this right here because of course you have to edit it on your editing software. I use Adobe Premiere. Then you have to, you know, save it on your desktop and all that stuff. There's a lot more steps to it when you're saving and you're uploading a short using your PC opposed to your actual phone. But hopefully you guys find value in this video, and if you did, then please make sure to smash the subscribe button and also ring the bell because I plan to do plenty more videos just like this one for you guys. If you guys need any help with anything else, then please ask down below in the comments. I appreciate you all. Smash a like if you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all in the next video.